This is micro SSD, micro hard disk. Okay, this is the pinout. Yeah, this is SATA and this is power. They will take 3.3 voltage. Okay, this is plus 3.3 and yeah, and this side was brown. Yeah, you can manage that the SATA port data. Voltage 3.3, 1 to 3.3, and 1 to another 3.4 is gone. Okay, you can manage that. It's easy, I think, for you to make solder 3.3 voltage on here. This 3.3 and this 3.4 is ground.